Neil, do you copy ground control?
Ground control, do you copy?
We copy, Apollo.
So, what's it like up there?
It's, beautiful. Beautiful and terrifying all at once.
Can you describe what you're seeing?
Well, it's great, but... Oh, no.
What is it? Is everything okay?
It's probably nothing, but,
Is it the spacecraft? The landing? The screws?
Sweet Mary Jesus!
Spit it out, my God!
it's the moon. It's smooth.
I'm sorry. What?
The moon! It's...
Smooth.
What are measurements?
Lieutenant, how smooth are we talking?
It's hard to say exactly. I'll know if I touch it.
What was that, Lieutenant?
Smooth or no, it's time. You ready with your big line, Neil?
Oh, you betcha, big guy.
Okay.
That's one small step for man, one giant... Whoopsie! What
happened?
Oh, Buzz, you gotta get down here, man.
What?
What's happening?
Hey, Jimmy! Hey, Jimmy, you gotta see this!
Oh man, how smooth is it?
Well, it's like crazy. It's
I
like...
can't wait for my turn. It's so rough. In this space shuttle, all the controls are like sandpaper.
Well, here, it's smoother than a vocabulary can describe.
Okay.
Like, if you tried to slide, you do it for a really long time.
Yeah, it's like, imagine a ground that's made of all banana peels. Then
Double it. Then triple it. It's smoother.
It's like in there. Awesome, well, back to Sandland for me. Okay.
Bye, Jimmy.
Aldrin, Armstrong, get your act together. The fact that we pulled this off is a miracle.
Get your act together! Remember, the Russians could be here any minute.
I want to touch it.
Buzz, please.
Oh, that feels weird. That feels very weird. I feel stronger.
What is going on?
Oh, that's very, very smooth. Oh,
I don't understand. You didn't take off your glove, did you?
oh it's fine.
It's fine.
Oh, yeah, I just took off my helmet. It's totally breathable.
Tommy.
I'm sorry, the moon is breathable?
Yeah, not to mention how smooth it is. Wow. That's something. Wow.
Whoa!
What is going on? Speak to us now.
Those guys over there are totally laughing at us.
What guys? The Russians?
Oh, yeah, we are being such tourists.
Hey.
Thanks, man.
Who is accompanying you?
Mike, calm yourself. Who the hell is accompanying you?
Do you read me?
We
Do you read me?
We read you, Jimmy.
Thank God, you'll talk some sense into them.
Do you? Is it still very smooth?
Smooth here.
You gotta be kidding me.
Awesome. Well, too bad I live in Rough Egg Central over here, guys.
Right, Jimmy.
Well, give me over and out.
Lieutenant, focus. Are you in danger?
Oh, thanks. Nice
What just happened?
Oh, they just gave us some, water.
They have drinkable water?
Yeah, technically, but that doesn't mean you're gonna enjoy it based on your particular preferences.
Again, who are they?
Look, the bigger ones are sliding all over the place because it's so smooth. And because the gravity's all weird.
The bigger ones? How big are
And
they?
for the love of who are they?
Don't worry, fellas. It's smooth for us, too.
You can talk with them?
No, what are you talking about? Sound doesn't travel here. That's like basic science, no?
Oh, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's going on? What's happening? What's happening?
always been like this?
I swear to God, they were so normal before.
Oh no!